welcome to Homestead's Homestead. We're so glad you're here. Now sit right back and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. It really helps us to grow and it's always free. Hello folks, welcome to Homestead's Homestead. We're so glad you're here. Now sit right back and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. It really helps us to grow and it's always free.
Hello folks, this is going to be a quick video today. I believe Carolyn's done showed you the leaves and everything. With all the natural events that's took place here lately, we've gotten behind. It seems like we've stayed behind all this year, but what we're doing today, if you'll remember last year and the year before that, we've hung a rug up on here to block the wind. What we've done, we've always come through that door down there with the hay, put it in the hay rack. We're going to have to tighten it up a little bit this year, the hay rack. It loosened up a little bit there. May have been when I was cleaning out the barn. In case you're wondering about my glasses, I broke out my old glasses. Folks, I'm going to have to go back to the eye doctor. Them one glasses I got, I don't know what in the world. I can't hardly see out of them. I don't know what's going on. So I broke out these old ones. I can actually see better with them than I can the newer glasses. But anyway, back to this. I went out by Big John's Hardware yesterday. It's in Mountain City, a local place. And I was going to get, they had at one time, it was a, I can't remember the thickness of it, maybe been 7/16. They called it fire block. It was plywood wrapped with fiberglass, and it was extra heavy. I mean, it was heavy to handle. It was all me and Dan could do to carry one piece. But they was selling it cheaper. And that's what people that's been around us a long time on here, all reviewers, they know, try not to go out and buy the most expensive stuff. So while I was in there, asked them, they said they didn't have it, but they did have some OSB board that had been involved in the flood, and they was selling it for $8 a sheet. And I said, alrighty, that for what I'm wanting it for, that'll work out perfect. It's fine. They had started drying it out. You can still see a little bit of like the muddy water had been across it there, folks, but for us it'll be fine. What we're going to do, we're not going to fill the whole area in. We'll have two sheets, put it up here. We're going to put up the 2x4s right now to screw it into, and one side we may fix a part of a rug on it to where it still blocks the wind and lets the goats go through. Yeah, we've disrupted the mama hen and her chicks. Dixie's with us up here, and little Beauty. There comes Beauty there now.
That's our bottle baby.
That's our bottle baby. She thinks she's a little puppy.
Acts like one.
Acts like a puppy. Acts like a... But anyway, let's get started, folks. I've bored you enough talking. Once again, thank everybody for their prayers, for everybody around this area and everywhere that has been hit. We can't thank everybody enough for all the prayers and donations, because there's people still, there's a lot of people out there, folks. I don't know if they'll ever be able to recover from this. Once again, we was blessed. Yes, we had oodles of trees down, we lost a car, but we were blessed, honestly. We've still got our house. And there yesterday, now this here, I don't know when this video will be playing, But when we went back to get more feed, and we'll have that video up, it'll be on a Monday. More as the leaves are starting to fall and you're able to see further off the road. That was just heartbreaking over there in Damascus, Virginia. Total houses just gone. And I mean, just in our county, Johnson County, I believe they said total of 60 homes just wiped away, just gone. But it'll be tough for them people to recover. I mean, it's just. But anyway, let's get back to this.
They don't
here.
have flood insurance because it don't flood here.
Yeah, I mean, we live up in the mountains. Most people, you know, don't have flood insurance, and it's just it was crazy. And like I said, as the leaves are starting to fall off the trees now, as you drive down the road, you're noticing more and more how trees are just down everywhere. It's crazy, folks. All right, let's get back to this here. It's going to be a simple, quick, short video. Once again, I want to thank everybody that has subscribed to us and all the people that are subscribing to us. Thank y'all, bushel. Let's get started. Now, we're not going to fool with the level or anything. What we're going to do, we'll put this up here. We want to just get it up high. This is what will be fastening the boards or the pieces of plywood to. We just don't want to knock our heads off. Alright, Dan, let me get a screw started in this. Probably have to screw it to that there. Here, we'll do it there after we get it up. Need to be a tool belt. Alrighty, folks. Here you can see we'll place this up here, and we've got another sheet. We'll go get it. Just going to tack this in place for this winter. Alrighty, folks. That's all we're going to be doing today. It's just before cold weather comes, you just got to think and look around try to help out your critters all you can. Maybe a mild winter, maybe cold as all get out.
Something we've never seen before.
Yeah, we've never seen flood like this before, so no telling what we'll have this winter. But no, that there will help knock off now the goats will probably come down. They'll probably be there looking leery of it for a few days, but they'll get used to it. And we may even take a smaller piece of rug and put there on the side where it finishes blocking it off. I've got one more piece of OSB board out there. We're going to look inside here and see where would be the best place to put it to block off the wind. The goats like to lay up here on this upper side, so we may fix it up there. We may fix it in here to where we've got another stall. We'll take a look. A lot of the goats have been done having their babies. They're standing on the hill right now. Turn around and see if the folks can see them, Shug. They're looking down there saying, what are they doing there?
Probably can't.
What are they doing to our house?
Don't know if you can see. They're in there. Okay, this is the other side. Keep some of the wind off of them and all. This is our hay feeder. We'll be filling that up pretty soon. Won't be long.
Me and Pop, we made these here a few years ago. We've got another one down there. Took some cables, just sits down. It helps keep them from wasting it a little bit there. We're going to definitely try this year. Every time before we load it up again, or at least every other time, come up here at the pitchfork and try to move some of the hay.
Because they do waste.
Yeah, they definitely waste.
Goats waste hay.
You can see the piles we've got out there. They waste around a little bit more, but when time you figure up us trying to square bale everything, it's just a whole lot easier during the time when it's hot and everything to go ahead and roll it. Square bales are nice for wintertime if it gets really bad and you're not able to get a tractor out and everything, but most of the time it works out all right. Alrighty, folks. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, be seeing you soon. Y'all take care. God bless. Thank yous for watching.
Folks, thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, and we will be seeing you soon, Lord willing. Folks, thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, and we will be seeing you soon, Lord willing. Folks, thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, and we will be seeing you soon.